Welcome to my beginner Qigong workshop, Wuji Gong Foundation's online training. If you're new to Qigong, this is a simple starting point. Start here, foundations first. I'm Master Stan Pannone, and I'll guide you step by step. You'll learn the essentials: posture, breath, and stillness. It's perfect if you're new, returning, or want a clean reset. Wuji Gong is the core practice that supports everything that follows. You'll get clear step-by-step guidance, and a replay is included so you can practice anytime. Register at Emei Qigong Harmony.com. The link is in the description. I hope to see you in class.